Okay, and I'm back with another destash, and this one is going to be some books that I thought I would use, but I'm not using, and they're just sitting. So I have this planner for one. Um, it has this really cute little charm on it. Excuse my nails; I haven't done anything to them in a while, but there's nothing, no inserts in it, no paper inserts anyway. It just has a dividers and a to-do list. So you can use it as a planner or just anything else. Maybe someone can make use of it, because I sure haven't. Hasn't been used. I just did put the charm on it and that was it. So I'm just asking $10 for this if you're interested. And anything that I'm selling can be combined into one box if it all can fit or what have you. I also did, I have one of these that I use for myself, but I did another one. This is another one, a war binder. And it has pockets on the inside, a writing pad, some post-its, some little stickers, and then each section has papers. I kind of put together myself, but dividers, little pockets here, and more paper, and it's just the same thing throughout. So you can, of course, label each tab as you would like, and do it that way. Or if you didn't want to use it as a war binder, this paper is just under the plastic, so it can come out and it could be anything you want it to be. So I'm just asking $10 for that. Have this cookbook that I put together. These can be like little recipe cards, which is what I had in mind for them. Little recipe cards, and then some larger recipe cards as well. Those are going to go with this. And this is the front of the book, the side and the back. And this is the charm that I made for it. It has all cooking related things on here, like there's a cupcake, a spoon, measuring cup, some other random beads that threw out, a little pot, skillet looking thing. This is a cake. This is a mixer. Some more kitchen utensils. I'll flip it around. And the bottom one is a cookbook. But that was just some extra I added. I thought I would use it, but I haven't used it at all. So in the front there is a kitchen conversion chart. It can be, of course, moved throughout the book wherever you may need it. There's just some pockets that I will add these. I'll just stick these cards and stuff inside of them. Another pocket. This is a pocket here with some recipe cards in it, and they're labeled. You see all the labels right here. And each one has a pocket and some more recipe cards in it. Drinks, another folder, and another folder. So you can gift this to someone or use it for yourself. But I'll definitely include all these cards. And for the cookbook, I'm asking $20. Oops. Just knocked everything over. And then I have a baby album that I did a while ago. But this is what it looks like. This is the back of it. And it has this little charm on it. This little frilly thing I made here. And I think I did a flip through on this before, but I'll just do a quick little flip through. You know, it has a waterfall here. And some more photo mats in a pocket. This one here is a little book, a booklet with photos. And it folds that way, if I can remember. I did this book a while ago. Oh, this one folds up first. And then out. And this has a little belly band here. You can put something behind there. And this one is tied. I'll go ahead and untie it. It opens this way, this way. So a lot of different spots for you to put photos. And then up here it has the little pullouts up here. Of course, my fingernails are so short I can't get it out. But there's a pocket on the side. And this one flips up, flips out. And then inside here there's, I guess you missed the whole thing. It flips up, flips out. And it has more pockets here. This one here, these little booklets come out of this little piece. It's like a little miniature booklet. It opens this way. I'll put that back in. And then this one here, untwist it, opens up. There's some more photo mats in here. Really cute photo mats. And this little side piece here. It's a little waterfall. Another waterfall here. And some more little pockets here. Oops. And then that baby one, I'm asking $25. I'll be $25 shipped. And then this one here is going to be $35 shipped. It's more like a little spring book. Ouch. And my leg hurts here. So I'm going to open this up. I'll just quickly show you little pockets. A little pull out right there. This one flips up. This one flips open here. There's a little tuck spot for a photo. And pull out mats here. And all the pages have mats that pull out. And this one flips. This one flips open. These flip up. And another side photo mat there. And this one flips up. Let's put this little cute trim right here. Another flip up here. Side pull out. Another photo mat here. And these little tabs I put on the pages. They look like little clouds. They have magnets inside the pages to keep them down. That one folds that way. This one opens here. Opens here. And then there's some more pages. This one opens. There's some more pages. A little pocket back here. Oops. Goes that way. And this one, oh, bumped the camera. We'll pull out a little tuck spot here. Belly band. Little like little tuck spot here for a photo. Little tuck spot that's magnetic, so it can hold something there. So it flips this way. A little photo mat on the side, and then another waterfall right here. Another little tuck pocket back here. And over here we have another waterfall. All the pages you see right here. And then this one here, I did it like a waterfall, except I put blank pages in it, so you can do like your journaling. Here's a little mini journaling spot right here. And that's it, and that's the back. And put this page back down. There. And just ties shut. And this one, like I said, I'm asking $35 plus your shipping. And those are the 5 books that are in this lot. So the planner is 10, the war binder is 10, the cookbook is 20, the baby book is 25, and then the spring album is 35. If you're interested, you can email me at the email address I'll leave in the description box below. And also, don't feel like you have to go with the price that I'm offering. These are like prices that I'm thinking that I could sell them for, but I'm always up to accept any reasonable offer. So don't be afraid to ask. Asking never hurts anyone, right? So thank you all for watching. Bye.